Hello friends, this is Sahiti here. Today we are going to discuss about some important GK questions. First one, in which technology do cryogenic engines find applications? Answer is rocket technology. What is the wavelength of visible spectrum? Answer is 3900 to 7600 angstrom. The fragments of which comet system collided with Jupiter in July 1994? Answer is Shoemaker-Levy. The National Housing Bank was set up in India as a wholly owned subsidiary of which bank? Answer is RBI. Wine production is mainly carried out in which natural region? Answer is Mediterranean region. Which was the most important factor in transforming ancient Indian society into feudal society? Answer is practice of land grants. Which animal resembles most to human beings in terms of physical and mental capabilities? Answer is chimpanzee. From where can a member of parliament claim immunity? Answer is from civil cases only. Salts of which element provide colors to fireworks? Answer is strontium and barium. Where are the postage temperature grasslands? Answer is Hungary. Which Chola king had conquered the northern part of Sri Lanka and made it a province of his empire? Answer is Rajaraja. Where is the largest automobile manufacturing center located in the world? Answer is Detroit. ORT, oral rehydration therapy, is associated with the treatment of which disease? Answer is diarrhea. To suspect HIV/AIDS in a young individual, which symptom is mostly associated with? Answer is chronic diarrhea. The chief industry of Afghanistan? Answer is carpet making. Why did Muhammad bin Tughlaq transfer his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Answer is to control South India better. The executive power of relating to concurrent subjects remained with at the center. We cannot see during a fog. Why? Answer is because of scattering of light. Which situation makes a firm most efficient? Answer is lowest average cost. Silk textiles are mainly produced in which countries? Answer is China and India. The Portuguese traveller Nunes visited Vijayanagara during the reign of which ruler? Answer is Achyutaraya. Shona Narayan is a reputed personality in which field? Answer is classical dance. During which plan did prices show a decline? Answer is first plan. Which instrument used for finding out wind direction? Answer is wind vane. Which ports handled the North Indian trade during the Gupta period? Answer is Tamralipti. Which vitamin is considered to be a hormone? Answer is D vitamin. On the basis of financial crisis, how many times has emergency been declared by the President of India? Answer is not even once. Which is the element found on the surface of the moon? Answer is titanium. Why is Beaufort scale used? Answer is to measure wind velocity. Which Tomar ruler is credited to have established Delhi? Answer is Anangpal. My Music, My Life is the autobiography of which person? Answer is Pandit Ravi Shankar. Which type of party system has been evolved in India? Answer is multi-party. Who was the Sultan of Delhi, reputed to have built the biggest network of canals in India? Answer is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. When does relative humidity decreases? Answer is with increased temperature. A man with a dark skin in comparison with a man with a white skin, what will he experience? Answer is less heat and less cold. Which bank is the banker of the banks? Answer is RBI. where are a large number of species are found within a small unit of area? Answer is wet evergreen equatorial forest. Through which translocation of food materials in plants takes place? Answer is phloem. Krishnadevaraya wrote a famous work, namely Amuktamalyada, in which language? Answer is Telugu. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.